this is Miriam and welcome to my channel. And I'm just giving a quick update about our BLW journey. If you could remember from my last posts, my son had started eating solid food. So we are not mashing his food. I'm not blending his food. But he does drink water. So I'm just giving him real food. So what he had eaten for the past weeks were bananas, cucumber, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and squash. So each day I give him meal maybe once a day, and then last week I started trying to give him 2 meals a day. So if I give him broccoli, normally he finishes 2 florets at a time, and then for cucumber he finishes 1 whole. Normally he just eats the seed in the middle, and then he's just sucking the entire cucumber. So my little boy is just sucking it and then enjoying the seeds in the middle. So that's it. Keep watching and I'll keep you posted about our journey. Thank you. That's it. So he had sweet potato, squash, broccoli, cucumbers, and water. So that's what he has been eating for the past weeks. So normally we steam the vegetable and make it into like not too soft and not too hard, and then we just let him eat it. The cucumber, we just cut it into 4 and then just give it that way, and then he will just munch it, he will just suck it, and then later on he has been learning how to cut it into pieces after having it into his mouth for a long time. It gets soft and then he's able to chew on it. So anyway, just keep watching your child as you keep feeding him. And thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe. Bye!